Hello guys, how y'all doing? In today's video I want to see if it's possible to carbonate an oil. You know, these carbonated machines are made to carbonate water. But I was thinking for a long time, is it even possible to carbonate an oil? And of course this experiment doesn't have too much of the purpose because obviously no one will carbonate an oil and drink it. So I'm just making this video for entertainment purposes. And I'm filming this video outside on purpose because I don't know what happens when you carbonate an oil. Who knows, this thing might blow up. So let's check it out. I'll need quite a bit of oil here. Right, there you go, till this line. Whoa, it's coming out. Oh no. Whew. There you go. This is what happens. Ooh! Oh, look at this. It's a carbonated oil. Should I try it? Is it carbonated or not? Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, it's actually carbonated, but really disgusting. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of bubbles in here in the bottle. That's crazy. And obviously it's something you don't want to drink. It's really disgusting. Well, anyways, I was very interested to see what happens if you carbonate an oil. And there it is. That's what happens. The most disgusting beverage you can find, I guess. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't try this at home. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.